previous video, I have already shared how to set program. Let me share about the program for sourdough. So I have the first 260, 1 minute, fan speed is 35. Step 2, 230, 12 minutes, fan speed is 1. Step 3, 230, 7 minutes. Once it's already oven spring, so I have increased the fan speed to 30, and then after that 10 minutes I let it just bake it by its own because the temperature already is high for 10 minutes. Come back to the last step, which I will bake it at 180 for 7 minutes. Fan speed is 28. Another thing is I would like to share is I purposely put in the see it extra deck. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the middle deck. I put the additional deck for this. So that is where I put my baking sheet for sourdough. I realize you put it high enough so that it can trap the dough in the steam.